Hello everyone, welcome to today's session on Microsoft Fabric. So my name is Ritesh Grover and I'll be taking you through this exciting new platform that's transforming how organizations handle analytics end to end. Alright, let's get started with understanding what Microsoft Fabric actually is. What is Microsoft Fabric? So what exactly is Microsoft Fabric? Microsoft Fabric is a unified analytic platform that brings together all the key data tools from data engineering and data science to real time analytics and Power BI under one single SaaS solution. It's built on top of one lake, which acts as a single enterprise grade data lake for your entire organization. In short, it's complete end-to-end analytics solution that simplifies data management, removes silos, and helps you focus on insights rather than infrastructure. Key components of Microsoft Fabric. Fabric is made up of multiple integrated experiences, each serving specific purpose. First of all, Data Factory. For Data Factory is used for data integration and pipelines. And the other one is a Synapse Data Engineering for preparing and transforming data. Synapse Data Science for machine learning and AI experiments. Synapse Real Time Analytics for analyzing live streaming data. Power BI for integrative dashboards and reporting. Data Activator for triggers automated actions based on the data changes. And all of these components share a common foundation. What is that? One lake. The central data lake for your organization. Why Microsoft Fabric? Now, you might ask, why do we need Microsoft Fabric? So, the answer lies in simplification and unification. Earlier, we had multiple services for different parts of the analytic process, like ETL, data warehousing, BI, and AI, often managed separately. Fabric brings everything together in a single platform. Like there is a one environment, one storage layer, one security model, and one unified experience. This reduces complexity, improves collaboration, speeds up the time to get insights from data. Fabric architecture overview. So let's look at the high level architecture of Microsoft Fabric. It all starts with data ingestion, bringing data from multiple sources using Data Factory. So while using our Data Factory, we're ingesting data into Microsoft Fabric. Then we transform and process the data using Synapse Data Engineering or data flows. All of the data is stored in one lake, which acts as a single source of truth. From there, we can analyze data using Synapse Real Time Analytics or even build machine learning models using Synapse Data Science. Finally, we visualize insights using Power BI dashboards. So it's a seamless connected pipeline from raw data to decision making. One Lake, the foundation. One Lake is often called the one drive for data. It provides a single unified data lake that stores all your organizational data in one place. So the best part is that it supports open data formats like Delta and Parquet, which means data can easily move across different services. You can even create shortcuts to data stored in other locations, for example, in Azure Data Lake or AWS S3, without physically copying it. This makes One Lake extremely flexible, secure, and scalable. Licensing and access. When it comes to access, Microsoft Fabric is available through Power BI Premium, either on a per user or per capacity basis. The good news is that anyone with a Power BI account can start a free 60 days Fabric trial. This trial gives you access to all Fabric experiences. So you can explore data engineering, data science, and Power BI all in one place. Activating Microsoft Fabric account. Now let's quickly see how to activate your Microsoft Fabric account. These are the steps. I am just explaining you the step. We will do it tactical way even. Step 1, go to app.fabric.microsoft.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. Okay. Once inside Microsoft Fabric, click the setting gear and select admin portal and Fabric settings and enable Microsoft Fabric. Next, activate your Fabric trial by clicking on Start Trial button. So after activation, you will notice new options on the left: Data Factory, Data Science, Real-Time Analytics, etc. And congratulations, you are now ready to explore Microsoft Fabric. Let's talk about the summary. So let's quickly recap what we learned today. Microsoft Fabric is a unified analytic platform from Microsoft. It combines Power BI, Synapse, and Data Factory into one seamless experience. OneLake acts as the single data foundation. You can start exploring right away using the free trial in Microsoft Fabric. In our next session, we will go deeper into lakehouses in Microsoft Fabric, where we will start building our first data environment. Now, I would love to hear your questions before we move to the demo or discussions part. Thank you.